Hello, good afternoon. I want to show you a quick lesson on search terms. Search terms are the words you type into search boxes. And yes, you guys use computers all the time, you use smartphones, but do you know how to put in the right keywords into a search to get the answers you need? Okay? You may be good at it on Google, maybe this is a little different. So, here I am on the Ancient and Medieval History database, and my topic is the social structure, the social order, the hierarchy, who has power, control, popularity in the society of ancient Mesopotamia. So here's what I'm going to try. I'm going to type social structure in Mesopotamia. Got to make sure I spell it all right. Okay, let's see what happens there. What? That worked super well. The first hit has three of my three words and two others. I didn't say ancient Mesopotamia, they did. There's also one called social structure and daily life pharaonic. So that looks like pharaohs, like in Egypt. Not sure. I think when I look at this list, the one that fits me the best, although here's one that says Mesopotamia, I'm thinking it's going to be this first one. All right, so let me check it. Before I cite this, I need to make sure it actually has the answer to my question, which is what was the social structure of ancient Mesopotamia? So let's see here. Okay, class structure, social classes, social mobility, priests and kings. Okay, I think I found it. I'm going to cite this and start taking notes. So let me click on citation. I'm going to export to Noodle Tools. And I'm going to scroll down here. Sorry, this needs to disappear. I'm going to make sure it's on the right project and I'm going to import it. Done. One reference successfully exported. Now I'm going to open up my notebook and I'm going to start taking notes on this so that I can put it in my presentation later.